Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just picked up a new build, the 1999 Honda Prelude, and it doesn't start. I checked all the fuses already off camera, and it is missing the ECM, so I'm going to have to go to pull apart and grab one of those. So let's get it unloaded and do a walk around. Guys, so I got it unloaded. Now let's do a walk around. I'm gonna hold the camera the whole time, do a walk around. It has been hitting the front before. Looks like the body gaps are way off. That front radiator support is bent, but I'm gonna leave it alone because it is a clear title. But let's do a quick walk around and then give it a wash. Alright guys, first off, we have the bumper clips right here. They're broken. The bumper is just hanging there. But it is pretty dirty. It has a whole bunch of white spots in the paint. Hopefully they come out, but pretty clean. Someone painted the rims black right there. It's been sitting under trees for a couple years, but it's pretty nice. I do have the wing for it. They took it off, I guess, but now let's check out the interior. All the chrome pieces are peeling right here. Has the original Prelude carpet. It did have some subwoofers and they took the whole radio system out, and I did try this where the ECM goes. I have a parts car I tried taking it off of, but this one's automatic and the parts car is manual. A whole bunch of junk back here. There's the rear spoiler. Earning some money back already, guys, but looks like they've already tried fixing and didn't know that it's missing an ECM. There's the main relay right there hanging, and a whole bunch of wires for the sound system. But let's pop the hood and check what's under the hood. Alright guys, check that out. The airbox is disconnected. I took the battery out because it's dead. But H22A4 VTEC engine in it. It has oil, it turns over. Or it doesn't turn over, but I turned it over with the wrench. I checked all the fuses there, none of them are burned out. Check that out. Pretty clean. Clean it up some more. This is where the frame, or not the frame, but the radiator support is bent. These headlights are peeling. Clear coat. Alright, I'm gonna close the hood now. Doesn't really look like peeling paint anywhere else on the car, but here's the trunk area. The spare tire is missing, all taken apart right there. Brand new oil filter though right here. A few other pieces just laying around, but let's give it a wash And then after we give it a wash, clean the interior, make it look really nice, and then we could probably finish the video off there, and then next video we could probably fix it. Alright guys, I got the car all closed up. I got this electric pressure washer all hooked up. It's ready to use. Now let's put some soap in the bucket, get it all mixed up. And then we could rinse the car and then give it a good wash. Alright guys, so I finally got the car all cleaned up. It's not the best. There's still all these white paint spots on it. I don't even know what they're from, but I did try to buff this side out, but it didn't do anything. All those white little dots are still there. Well, I guess they just this car just had a bad paint job, but now let's move on to the interior and get it all cleaned up. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of just random junk laying around, the spoiler in there, a trim piece right there. There's just a lot of junk laying around, so let's get that cleaned up, and then after that we could probably end off the video, and then we have another part and get it running. Alright guys, so I got all the big pieces of trash cleaned out, and I also got the cables from the subwoofers out, because I'm not going to be putting subwoofers back in here. But let's get it all vacuumed up and cleaned up. Alright guys, check that out, way cleaner, no junk in the trunk. Pretty clean, cleaned up pretty good. And check this out, I found myself some more tools, a whole bunch of sockets. Oh shoot. Engine bay, I got all the leaves out of it. Still could use a good cleaning. Put that carpet back down for now and those plastic pieces on for now. But we're gonna have to go to the junkyard and get a new side panel right there, get a new ECU and that metal piece for the ECU. But way cleaner. There's all these white spots that don't overspray spots that don't buff out, but all these come off with the razor blade right here. Check that out, it's clear. But here it's not. My brother did it with the razor blade right there, but it's way cleaner. So next video we're probably gonna try getting it running. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Than what it was, but it is missing an ECM and it's gonna need a few parts here and there. But next video we're gonna try getting this car running, put a new ECM in it and get a few other pieces for it from the junkyard, so stay tuned for that. But if y'all enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to stay tuned for future builds and the next couple build parts on this car, because after I build it, I'm probably gonna sell it, and then I have another Prelude manual, really clean motor that I'm gonna end up buying a Prelude to swap it into, because that Prelude is totaled. But make sure y'all stay tuned for other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.